Hello everyone, this is Gavin from Fresh Eco Steam Cleaning here in Orlando, Florida. We installed a ceramic coating on this beautiful BMW. First, we did a deep clean on the exterior, which include washing it, stripping everything off, including old sealants and wax. Then we did a chemical and mechanical decontamination on the exterior to remove all those hidden contaminations. Once that was done, we did our one-step paint enhancement polish. This will remove light scratches and also bring out the gloss and shine of the paint. Now it's looking like a mirror. Once we wipe down the entire exterior with our panel wipe, it's time to apply the ceramic coating. The ceramic coating will protect this vehicle for years to come. The ceramic coating is also chemical resistant and super hydrophobic. This means the next time you wash your vehicle, it's going to be super easy. If you're interested in having your car ceramic coated or you have any questions, you can always contact us or visit our website for more information.